Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Shibal Saekkiya in depth. First, the definition. Shibal Saekkiya means a Korean swear phrase expressing frustration or anger. Think of it simply as a strong curse phrase used when upset. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Shibal Saekkiya combines two Korean curse words often used together for strong emphasis. Over time, it's been used by Korean speakers to express intense emotions. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Shibal Saekkiya in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He shouted Shibal Saekkiya after his phone broke unexpectedly. Correct example 2. I accidentally dropped the cake and muttered Shibal Saekkiya under my breath. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Shibal Saekkiya the recipe, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Shibal Saekkiya correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Shibal Saekkiya means a Korean swear phrase expressing frustration or anger. It comes from combining two Korean curse words, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Shibal Saekkiya down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.